Welcome back, you guys, to another week for a hair makeover. As you know, I'm Stylist Lee, and I'm going to be showing you how I do balayage on virgin hair, so keep watching. So what you see here is a weave that we installed about over a month ago. She wanted to come in and get something a little bit different, so we're going lighter. As you see, she's already pre-lightened. So we're going to go back in and basically lighten up some of the areas that's already highlighted, and then we're going to also add in more color definition on the parts that's dark. So just continue watching as I do my process. So what you see here is me isolating the blonde previous color from the dark hairs. So what I'm doing is I'm isolating that because I want to go ahead and raise that blonde up just a little bit so it can look like it's fading from her roots. And we want to also pre-lighten it. Well, we want to lighten it a little bit more to make it brighter than what it is, because she wants to go really blonde and ashy. So we're just going back over it and fading it in so it can just blend really well. Throughout this video, you may notice that I'm going over each section over and over. And basically what I'm doing is I'm eliminating all harsh lines and blotches that you may see throughout the color application. And this is just basically to eliminate any lines or bleeds so it can look more natural and look like it's fading in. So we just completed with her shampoo. As you guys can see, we have done a toner and we just made it a little bit more ashier just to get out a little bit of that brassiness. As you also can see, we did not go all the way up with her color because, as you know, her hair is left out. And when she presses out her hair at the top, we want to make sure that we left enough black out so it can blend in naturally, so it can look like it's literally just growing from her scalp. So we just removed her from underneath the dryer. She was under the dryer for approximately 1 hour. And we're going to go ahead and proceed with blow drying her ends as they are still a little damp. Once we completed that process, we're going to go ahead and move on to her styling. If you guys are liking how these curls are coming out and you're interested in buying version hair that she's wearing, you can actually go to slrawversionhair.com, and she's wearing 18 inches natural wavy.